स्वागत है मेरे चैनल पर पेट भर पहलवान। और ये रहा दुबई का वायरल कुनाफा चॉकलेट मेरे हाथ में। तो चलिए लेते हैं पब्लिक की रिव्यू चॉकलेट के बारे में। चलिए अब हम रिव्यू लेंगे दुबई वायरल कुनाफा चॉकलेट का सोहेल से, जिसने पेट भर पहलवान का टाइटल ट्रैक हमको बना के दिया है। जी तो सोहेल, हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट द दुबई वायरल कुनाफा chocolate?
No, I haven't heard about it.
So today,
But I would love to taste it.
But today I give you a chance to have the
Oh
Dubai
wow!
Viral Kunafa chocolate.
Oh, this looks really nice. Mm.
And can you rate this between 1 and 10?
Oh, this is lovely. It's creamy, soft, स्वादिष्ट, शानदार, very nice. मेरा बस चले तो मैं 100 दे दूं 10 के ऊपर, लेकिन सिंस आप 10 बोले तो 10 out of 10. Absolutely. 10 out of 10.
तो इसी बात पे आप एक काम करिए, चॉकलेट का मुझे 100 दिरहम ही दे दो।
100 दिरहम? अच्छा, ये तो खुनाफा में मुनाफा हो गया। ये तो बिल्कुल अभी तो फिलहाल पता नहीं, मुझे तो बिल्कुल बेकार लग रही है और मुझे तो पसंद नहीं आ रही बिल्कुल। ये भी आप ले लीजिए, ये जो तो इसका भी 50 दिरहम आप लगा दो, आप रख लीजिए इसको। नहीं।
तो ये था हमारा पहला रिव्यू दुबई कुनाफा वायरल चॉकलेट के बारे में। आगे चल के हमें और जेन्युइन रिव्यू मिले, ये उम्मीद करता हूँ। चलिए अगले रिव्यूअर से मिलते हैं। मैडम, आप बिजी हो?
नहीं।
क्या आपने दुबई का कुनाफा वायरल चॉकलेट के बारे में सुना है?
जी।
ट्राई किया है?
I haven't tried.
So do one thing, I'll offer you one of the kunafa chocolate. Taste it and give me your review on it. Yeah, you can just snap piece. कैसा लग रहा है? How would you feel? How's the feel of the kunafa?
Nice. It's nice.
So if you have to rate this between 1 to 10, so what's the rating would you give it?
Around 7.
7. And if you get an opportunity, if you got friends or relatives coming down from Dubai, so would you tell them to get this chocolate from there?
Absolutely.
Compare it with other chocolates. So what you'll say? You'll go for this one or the other one?
See, it's quite different. It's new. So I think I would try that.
So are you getting this chocolate in Mumbai?
No, not as of now.
The original ones you're not getting. Thanks a lot for your review.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day. ये रहा मैडम का रिव्यू। अभी जाते हैं अगले बंदे से रिव्यूज लेने के लिए। तो चलिए नेक्स्ट बंदे। Sir, have you heard about the Dubai viral kunafa chocolate?
No, I haven't.
I especially bought this.
Okay.
I'll give you a piece. Try it and review it for me between 1 and 10.
Okay.
I think you're enjoying it. Is it nice?
Yeah. It's good, but it's too much sweet.
Sweet. Okay.
Yeah. Too sweet.
Okay. If from your point of view, so what you will rate it between 1 and 10?
I'll rate it 2 or 3.
2 or 3.
Yeah.
Okay. Compare it to other chocolates also.
Just like any ordinary Indian chocolate.
Okay. Perfect. Thanks a lot. And that was a genuine review.
Yeah. Thank
Thanks a
you.
lot. Sir, have you heard about the Dubai Kunafa chocolate which has gone viral in 2024?
Okay.
I brought it down for Mumbai people to review it. So I'll give you one of them and you can
Sure. So creamy.
Okay.
Flavor of nuts.
Okay.
Good. It's different.
That's fantastic. That's a good review.
That's flavor of the chocolate is very good.
Okay.
It's good. It's something new.
New. And so 1 to 10, how much you rate it?
Go to that.
एक और जेन्युइन रिव्यू देते हैं ग्रोसरी वाले से। देखते ग्रोसरी वाला क्या बोलता है, वो खुद चॉकलेट बेचता है। सर, आपने दुबई का कुनाफा वायरल चॉकलेट के बारे में सुना है?
सुना है, बहुत सुना है। कभी खाया नहीं।
खाया है। चलो, ये स्पेशली मैं दुबई से लेके आया। आप खाइए और मुझे बताइए 1 से 10 तक कितना रेटिंग करोगे?
ये वही सेवैया वाला है ना?
पता है आपको तो यार।
मस्त है, बहुत मस्त है।
सेवई तो खा लो, अब सेवई छोटी है अपने।
Awesome है, awesome।
तो आपको अगर इसको रेट करना है 1 to 10, तो क्या रेटिंग दोगे?
अभी तक तो जितना चॉकलेट देखा है सबसे बेस्ट है, मैं 10 ही बोलूंगा। मुझे पानी आने लगा, इतना टेस्टी है।
तो आपका पीस तो खलास करिए फिर। तो ये था एक और जेन्युइन रिव्यू। चले अगला रिव्यू लेते हैं। सो सर, हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट द दुबई वायरल चॉकलेट?
Not really. This is first time for me.
And ma'am, what about you?
Yeah, same thing. First time.
So I bought it down from Dubai, so I want both of you to try it.
Sure thing. Let me.
Try and give me your rating from 1 to 10.
It's really good. It's got
something
the
different. Like
yeah. It's got inside. It's like really crunchy. I like the paste and all. The overall crunchy feel. What's inside this? Like
It's kunafa.
that's kunafa. The
It's really nice.
desert.
Pistachio and everything.
Pistachio and everything. Love it. Yeah.
So what about
really
you, ma'am?
nice. I mean, like it's different and it's really nice. Like the inside, like the stuffing which you have put, it makes like something different. Like I haven't tried.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And how would you rate this between 1 and 10?
Uh,
I'll go for 10.
yeah.
I mean, I love it.
9.
I'll definitely.
9.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that was again a genuine review from
Yeah.
the couple. One saying 9 and second is saying 10. Thanks a lot for your review.
Yeah.
Most
Thank you.
welcome. Thank you.
इधर एक फैमिली बैठी है, इनसे लेंगे कुनाफा चॉकलेट का रिव्यू।
Very nice.
Sir, madam, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. Have you heard about the Dubai Kunafa viral chocolate?
I've heard about it, but unfortunately never got the chance to try it.
So today you're fortunate because I'm here with the chocolate for you.
Oh, okay.
So you can try it out and give me a review of yours between 1 to 10.
Definitely, definitely. Yeah. Mm.
This chocolate is so amazing. Thank you.
You know, it has that rich, creamy texture to it. Nice. It's very so delightful. I've never tried. I've tried so many chocolates, but this is something very different.
That's good.
And what I can say is that it's definitely perfect for satisfying your sweet cravings.
Okay.
And I think this is so amazing. I've never really had a chance to try this chocolate, but it's really nice. And the filling on the inside, I would rate it 9.6 out of 10.
9.6. That's a good rating. 9.6. What about you, ma'am?
This chocolate is so amazing. I love its rich and creamy texture with a unique taste.
Okay.
Uh, it's perfect sweetness, neither too much nor too little.
Okay. And how much you rate it?
6.
6.
6.
6.
It's her choice. It's her choice. What about you guys? How did you like it?
The rich cocoa flavor, not overly sweet, but I don't like the aftertaste, so I guess 7 out of 10. It's
Okay.
nice.
That's good. And what about you?
I think it's amazing. It has a perfect taste, and after I tried it, like it's really good. Not only tastes good, it looks good as well. So I guess I can confidently say that it's my favorite chocolate. 10 out of 10.
Okay, perfect. So that was a genuine review by the entire family. Have you heard about the Dubai viral chocolate?
Yes, I have.
Have you tried it out?
No, I've not tried it out.
Rate it between 1 and 10. How's the feel?
It's so sweet.
Okay.
It's crunchy as well, but doesn't really suit my taste bud because I'm not really fond of very sweet. If I have to rate this, I would have rated it like 5 out of 10, something like this.
5 out of 10.
Yeah.
Guys, that's another genuine review. We spotted one Insta celebrity, खुशी. चलिए खुशी से पूछते हैं दुबई वायरल चॉकलेट का रिव्यू के बारे में. Hi Khushi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
Khushi, have you tried the Dubai Kunafa viral chocolate?
No, I haven't tried yet, but it's too viral, and I always wanted to try it.
Finally, it's your lucky day. I'm here with the chocolate and you can try it out now.
Okay, I'm so glad that I got this chocolate. Creamy, melting. Do you like the kunafa and to be crunchy? No, I would rate this chocolate, I think 9.5 out of 10. And you know, I am a chocolate lover. For me, it's like a treat for my taste bud. Yum. I would take 2 if you don't mind.
Please.
Thank you so
Please.
much. I would take 2. I would take this whole thing.
No problem, Khushi. It's all yours.
Thank you so much for trying this. I always wanted to try this.
Thanks a lot Khushi for your review. तो मिलते हैं हमारे अगले वीडियो में. मिलते हैं. मेरा ख्याल.
पेट भर बलवा दिखा दे अपना जोश जीत के ला भाई जीत के ला उड़ा दे सबके